Hello guys, welcome back to LANAP. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix KitchenAid Induction Cooktop error code F47. So if you're interested, let's get started. So there are going to be a few things that you could try here to basically solve this problem. So the first thing that you could try doing here is you may want to check your wire connections. So in this case, you want to access the wires between the power board and the user interface here. Now inspect for any loose, damaged, or corroded wires, and if any wires are loose, secure them, and if damaged, replace them. But obviously, this requires you to open your cooktop here, or KitchenAid Induction Cooktop. So in this case, if you don't know what you're doing, don't do this yourself. Maybe ask a professional for this one. Now, another thing you might want to do here is you want to inspect your power board. Now, power board controls most cooktop in function, so carefully check the board for visible damages, and if faulty, in this case, contact a technician to repair or replace it. Now, in this case, obviously, again, this involves you opening it up again. So in this case, if you don't know what you're doing, it's best to contact a technician. Now, another thing that you could try doing here is you may want to reset your cooktop. So in this case, you want to go and disconnect your cooktop from the power source and basically wait for a few minutes before plugging it back in. Now, if you can wait like an hour or more, go ahead and do that, the better. And from then on, just turn the cooktop on and check if the error is now gone. Now, if none of the steps before works, it's best to, again, contact a professional for this one. Now, if you could also connect the manufacturer for this one, this is going to be a lot easier. So you could go ahead and contact KitchenAid for this one. So especially if you just bought it, you could go and request a replacement or a refund for you bought it. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANAP. Thank you for watching.